Look at the snake. The snake wants it.
Oh, it's gonna go.
The snake's coming towards us.
Okay.
Do you think he bit it already?
Maybe. Oh.
I mean, it's not venomous, but.
Come on,
Do you think that thing where it did is like a defense thing?
Yeah, it looked very
It
like.
scared me.
We're like, oh.
Watch out for the salamander, and there's
And
a
it's
snake
snake.
right here.
Oh, what kind? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Looks like a garter snake.
Yeah, a little racer. Yeah.
Oh, right.
Oh, look at
Wonder
it.
if
It's
he's
going.
chasing him.
Yeah.
Well, he's not running. I'm gonna let you know.
Well, I just want to save the salamander, but when I touched him, he tinted up like this and looked all weird. Kind of scared me.
He's going underneath, isn't he? Just maintain your little place there, buddy.
There's a snake over here.
You think it already
Oh,
did
look
it?
how he
That
hunched
salamander.
over.
You think it already did it?
Our science.
Also let him have it.
Pretty color.
Oh, sorry.
Good picture for YouTube. That's it. He's got
Bite back.
Oh, he's suffocating him. You bad boy. It hasn't yet.
The salamander messed up and reached around and bit his face.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Maybe he'd already bitten the salamander before.
That salamander was already down.
What kind of snake is that? You don't know?
It's not a poisonous one being from
here?
well.
Oh my goodness, poor thing.
Oh, look, is he gonna swallow it whole? That's what they do, right? Yeah. Man, I wanted to save that little guy.